Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 17th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 17th day of the month, you should concentrate on those elements of external reality that, from your own point of view, always surround you. These constitute the space around you, the sun, the moon, the constellations familiar to you, and whatever else permanently exists in your image of the universe. Concentrate on any one of these objects of reality and keep the desired result in your consciousness, as you always do, to ensure its realization. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 0, 4, 5, 4, 2, 1. 9-digit sequence. 8, 9, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Exercise number 3. Follow the resurrection of everything and everyone with your all-seeing eye, and you will discover that the resurrection of the world is the reality in which you live. You will sense that you really exist in the eternal world. Move forward in the direction, and you will see the path that calls to you. Take this path, and you will see the Creator, who is eternal, and you will delight in your eternity. And this delight is the eternity of life. And the Creator is the one who has created you. His love is limitless, and his humbleness inspires trust. He is humble and transparent, just as you have imagined, just as you have thought of him before. He is just as benevolent and positive as you have already known before. He is your Creator, and he shows you the way. Follow his path, because his path is your path too.